Hello, my name is Larry Greenewalt. I'm the Special Services Director for Eurotech, and today what we are working on is a full turnkey, meaning that we process, program, develop, do the R&D, tool development for the customer. For this particular project, we're doing 8 different parts. This customer is in the water pump industry, and we're producing bearings, working on the B750. The B750 is a perfect match for this project, as they have hundreds of variations of this product. The customer came to us with this proposal to buy a machine where they could start making their own parts in-house. Most of their production was done outside. They want to move more towards a just-in-time type of production. They don't have to wait. They can make it immediately for a customer in need anywhere in the world. This gives them a big, huge advantage in manufacturing. This machine, the B750, has a 16-station turret, and all 16 stations are live. And since we can work both sides of that turret, meaning tools toward the main spindle and tools toward the sub-spindle, that makes 32 tools. So what we've done is we've looked over the 8 parts that the customers required, and we've provided all those tools on the turret already, offset with a probe. So all we're changing is the work offsets for different parts, different lengths, different work offsets. That's all being incorporated in one program, all that information. So we're speeding up that setup process. We're eliminating as much possible time as we can for the setup process. When this project is finished, of course, when the machine is delivered, we will have all 8 parts ready to be run on this machine, and the customer then will in turn take our macros, sort of fill in the blanks. So the customer in the long term, with hundreds and hundreds of variations of their current parts that they manufacture, will have full flexibility. As they expand and they get better, everybody will benefit, so it's a win-win.